Hi everyone, welcome to Momazing Creations. Today we're gonna make fried chicken strips. So for this recipe you're gonna need flour, 3 eggs, a little bit of lemon juice, and some breadcrumbs. You can put any spices that you would like. So we're gonna cut the chicken in strips. We're gonna put each strip in the flour, the egg, and the breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna put it in hot oil and we're gonna fry it until it's golden brown, and we're gonna turn it on the other side as well. And when you get that golden brown color on both sides, we're just gonna put it on a paper towel, and here you go. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.